Hey there, DIY enthusiasts and tech wizards. Welcome back to Product Critique, the go-to channel for all your tech needs. Today, we've got a little gem that's going to make your networking projects a breeze. The Cable Matters 6 pass-through RJ45 connectors. But before we jump into the details, if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our tech-tastic reviews. Alright, let's dive right in. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you need to create custom-length Ethernet cables for your network setup? Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a pro, these RJ45 pass-through connectors are here to save the day. First things first, these connectors are designed for Cat6 Ethernet cable. They're a lifesaver when you want to terminate unshielded twisted pair cables, whether they're round or flat. With wire gauges ranging from 23 to 26 Aruban florins, and an outside diameter up to 5.4 millimeters. Now, here's where things get interesting. The crimp-style design of these connectors features a 3-point staggered contact setup. What does that mean for you? Well, it ensures a secure connection, making your network rock solid. Here's the real beauty of these connectors, the pass-through design. You simply feed the wires through the openings in the connectors, and then crimp them. It's faster, more efficient, and requires less effort compared to traditional connectors. These connectors are Category 6 performance rated, perfect for gigabit Ethernet networks. But the best part is, they're also backward compatible with Cat5e cables, making them versatile for various setups. Gold-plated contacts are a mark of quality, ensuring superior transmission and resisting corrosion. So, your Cat6 cables stay in prime condition for years to come. In this cost-effective 100-pack, you'll find enough connectors for both big projects and smaller jobs. Whether you're setting up a router, patch panel, or workstation, these connectors have got you covered. Worried about protecting those RJ45 connectors? Cable Matters has you covered. You can pair them with their RJ45 strain relief boots to safeguard the connectors from accidental damage and reinforce cable integrity. And when it comes to storage and organization, Cable Matters thought of that too. These connectors come in a convenient jar storage container. It's got a screw-on lid with an integrated handle, making it easy to carry these RJ45 connectors to the job site. Best of all, these connectors come with a lifetime warranty. That's right, peace of mind for your networking projects. In summary, the Cable Matters 6 pass-through RJ45 connectors are your essential tools for DIY or professional networking projects. They're reliable, versatile, and cost-effective, ensuring your network is up and running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow tech enthusiasts. And, as always, if you have questions or want to share your thoughts, drop them in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Stay connected, stay tech savvy, and we'll catch you in the next review right here on our channel.